This is the instruction video for the rack. It's the first stand that we ever included hardware in. First thing you want to do is gather all your hardware. The first thing you want to do is identify the insides and outsides of the arms. The insides are the part that have the routes, as you can see. And then you're going to want to grab the legs. The legs are the easiest part to put together. You're simply going to put it in like a sandwich to the arms. Now, you're going to want to grab the black hardware. There's 3 different types of hardware that you will find with the rack. A screw insert, a screw like casing, and then a rubber spacer. Now you're going to want to just grab the 2 ends to the screws and you're going to screw them in to both ends of the legs. And you can do it with your hand at first, and then you can use the fastener to tighten it in. Then we're going to move to the rubber mallets. The rubber mallets are going to go into the insides of your arms. You're going to kind of pop them into place. Now it's really important that they're lined here. You don't want them slightly tilting one way or the other. So the best way to do this is actually to go on the ground and kind of bang them in. And then you're going to use the exact same hardware and screw it in just like you did with the legs. This is the spacer that allows for the stability of the rack to work. Now you're going to put the legs together and then put the bottom shelf in. The shelf at the bottom is what holds everything in place. The bottom just kind of, and then once you have the bottom in, you can go ahead and grab the rack header. Now this one kind of shimmies on, so you want to make sure that you get both sides in. It's a really nice snug fit. We really mastered the art of the snug fit. If you're having issues putting them together, go ahead and put your thumbs in the middle of the arms and push them apart just a little. You really shouldn't have this issue, but if you do, it's just because the wood is snug and maybe it is expanded a little bit due to the weather. Again, wood is a natural product, so you're going to have a slight shift in fits from season to season and normal wear and tear, and it will fit better through time. And here's a little fun video of us setting it all up together. I hope you enjoy. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're a small company and we're here for you.